Hello friends, myself Priyanka Parekh from Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School Sarasa. I am working as a computer teacher. In earlier video we can learn chapter first, and today we are going to start chapter 2 more on window 7, and the topic of that components, moving window, resizing window, and then introduction. So let's see the introduction of that. You have learnt about the MS window. MS window. MS window means Microsoft window. Full form of MS, Microsoft window. In window also you can see the Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows XP. There are so many versions are that. This is a Microsoft is the company name. Window is a software, one kind of operating system, and this one is a Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista. These all are called version, means 7, 8, right? Windows XP, and nowadays Windows 10 is on a market. So operating system, in your previous classes by now you know what is the window in a Windows operating system is, right? Which kind of operating system we are using, that you all are know, and also about this operating system and window in earlier class you learn it. So let's see today in detail. See everyone, this is the one pic I put here, and every functions that was mentioned: back button, menu control bar, forward button, address bar, minimize button, maximize button, close button, and status bar. This window also we can ask in a exam. So there was arrows are given, and this all label you have to mention it, right? So it's also we can convey in a one type of question, and you have to label the window. Let's see now components of window. First one, address bar, menu control bar, back button, forward button, minimize button, maximize button, restore button, close button, and scroll bar. So these all are components of that window. And status bar. Now address bar. Address bar shows the location or address of the current window. Suppose you all are know, suppose you have to give a letter to your friend, so you need for that house address, right? Like same way, if you need any file or folder, so for that you need a address bar. Without address bar you can't reach at that level or at that home. So see, suppose a one kind of nano folder is there. So on desktop, in computer, in local disk C, then after in users, in nano there was a one file is there. See here I put a one rectangular picture. See that one by one arrow on desktop, then nearby computer, in computer nearby in a C drive, in C drive nearby users, and then nano it is there. So in that folder, in a subfolder we can put that, and that kind of address it shows a address bar, right? See, in Google also like this way address bar is that. There was a written http www.whatsthisden.com. So this is called address box. I put that oval. See, and also I written the address box, so you can understand it very well, which is the address bar, and it shows the current address or location of the video. Now, menu control bar. A menu control bar contains various menus and icon to work in a video. See this: file, edit, view, tools, help. These all are called menu bar. When you use your notepad or paint, so below there was the functions are given like home, insert, view. This is called address. That is we called what? Menu bar or address bar. What we called? The address bar is shows the location, and menu bar what shows? It's a contain a menu and icon works in a window. It works in a window. So this file, edit, view, tools and help is a menu control bar. Now let's see the back button. All I know is a common use of the back button in a remote, in everything, that your back button is there. This button takes you the previously viewed folder, means one step back. Previously whatever you open, that back button is previously viewed back folder, and it shows like this. See, this is the back button. In the same way, similarly, not but the same, something different, forward button. When you move the previously viewed folder and want to come back to the same folder, you were in use this button. First you do back, right? Then you go back, and then after you come the same position, so you have to go the forward. So when you move the previously viewed folder and want to come back, you want to come back to the same folder, so you will use this button. See here I put picture. This is the forward button and that one is a back button. Back means one step back and forward means one step go ahead. But you do back and you want to come the same position. When you go the back and you want to come the same position, so you have to use this forward button. Then after, minimize button. If is used to increase the size of the window, its maximum, means for the maximum or resize, increase it or shrink it, you can use this button. See, for the maximize you can use this button. See, this is a maximum button. For that, when you click on it, the window will be big. And when do the that minimize is shrink it, means it always go to the taskbar. On taskbar it will be minimize. Then after, restore button. Restore button means when you maximize a window, the maximize window button look like this. If you want to resize it, its original size. See, this is a restore button. When you put, it's come in a rectangular size in a middle one. When you click it again, so it's go to the maximize window, and this double rectangular shows it's called restore. So it's come to the rectangular form, in a rectangular form, in the between में आ जाएगा. और जब आप ये रिस्टोर बटन पे क्लिक करोगे तो वो पूरा मैक्सिमाइज हो जाएगा. मिनिमाइज मीन्स छोटा करने के लिए, मैक्सिमाइज मीन्स बड़ा करने के लिए, रिस्टोर मीन्स रेक्टेंगुलर छोटा वाला फॉर्म है उससे बिल्कुल भी बड़ा करने के लिए. इस सीन में मैक्सिमाइज साइज. देन आफ्टर, क्लोज बटन. और ऑफ यू वी ऑल ना नो द कमांड ऑफ द क्लोज बटन. क्लोज करने के लिए, राइट? यू कैन close the window by clicking this button. See this, it's always red sign and cross sign, it will be close button. कोई भी प्रोग्राम ओपन हो तो उसको क्लोज करने के लिए क्लोज बटन का यूज़ करो, राइट। एवरी प्रोग्राम विल बी ओपन if you want to close it, so close this thing. In between also some error will occur when you some works is going on and you don't understand anything, so you have to close this button. If there was a cancel option also we can say, and close button. Then after scroll bar, when the matter contain in a window is more than its display area, the scroll bar appears. There are two types of scroll bar in a window. जब आपका कंटेन आपके डिस्प्ले से बढ़ जाता है, राइट, सो उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए स्क्रोल बार विंडो में लगाए गए हैं. सो इन दिस विंडोज there is a two types of scroll bar is there. First one is a horizontally and second one is a vertically. Okay, so to scroll, the click arrowhead button present at the both and scroll bar it. So the content you can see it proper with the scroll of up and down in horizontal. In vertically we can do left and right. In horizontally up and down, and vertically left and right. So like this way, up, down and left and right, you can scroll the scroll bar and you can see the content. But when the scroll bar used, when your matter content is more than your display area, when your matter is contained, जब आपका content आपके display area से बढ़ जाता है, right, at that time this scroll bar is appear, and it's a two tabs are there, horizontally and vertically. Let's see the peak of scroll bar. See, horizontally and vertically like this way scroll bar is there, where a content will be more than your display area, so you can up, down and left and right, and you can read your content properly with the use of this scroll bar. Then after status bar. A status bar is located as the button of a window. It's located a button of window. It's a display status of the file or folder. वो क्या status करता है, हमें क्या display करता है, the which file and which folder is working right now, and like the number of object present in a video. How many objects will be present over there? Date, time, creation, modified of the folder. स्टेटस बार क्या करता है, जो भी हम आज का वर्क करते हैं उसको डेट वाइज, टाइम वाइज मॉडिफाई करता है. दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ स्टेटस बार, राइट. सपोज यू क्रिएट अ वन फाइल और फोल्डर टुडे, द डेट विल ऑटोमेटिकली मेंशन इन modify it, and it shows on which day, on which time you can create your file and folder. So what is the works of status bar? Status bar works to modify the file and it will be shows in your that folder, it's automatically come. So if you want to check on which day you create your file or folder, so easily you can see it and search it too, find it too, right. Also you can find it, also you can search it. Suppose I want a third date file, so easily the folder was modified on which day, modified by which day, on the third day which one files I modified or create is the all list will be come. So what is the work of status bar? Is modify date, time on the video creation automatically, and it will be button window display status bar of file and folder. See this now. See at the below it will be display the size. See how many size and KB is there, and everything time is mentioned. If you suppose you are using the word, so how many paragraphs are there, lines are there, and words are there, also it will be displayed in that. For example, you are working one paragraph, so in that paragraph how many words you are using, how many lines you are create, how many lines you can going to type, that or record keep in a status bar, right. So this is the works of status bar. Now, moving a window. How can you move a window at one place to another place? Now see, to move a window, follow this giving step. Whichever steps I am going to give you, that steps you have to follow. Now see it very carefully. Click on the top left corner on the window is appear. See, here one corner you have to do the click, and then after click the move option. Now the using desired location using the arrow key. First one you have to what to do, left corner पे click करो, right? On the left corner you have to do the right click. Then after this dialog box is appear, and in that this option is move option is there. So you have to click on this move option, so you can move your the dialog box anywhere. First one step, which one, you have to click on left corner, and then this dialog box is appear, and then after you have to click on this move option. Now the move on the video desired location using the arrow key, it is press enter key and finish the moving process. Okay, when you click on this the move button, then after you have to choose the location of that, and also you can press the enter key and finish your that moving process. If you click on this move button, anywhere you move it and directly you can press or enter key, so your moving process is finished. Again I am going to repeat how to move. राइट क्लिक करना हो कॉर्नर पे बेटा, देन आफ्टर दिस डायलॉग सेज अपीयर, ये डायलॉग बॉक्स ओपन होगा, उस पर ये मूव ऑप्शन है उस पर क्लिक करो. और ऑल्सो यू कैन मूव अ विंडो बाय होल्डिंग, यू हैव टू होल्ड it from the title bar and dragging it to the desired location. Hold the mouse from title bar and drag it. Don't move the mouse button. Don't release it. Okay, you have to hold it from the title bar and drag it to the desired location. So this is the two ways you can moving a window. And now then after resizing window, how do you can resize, means big or small, whatever you like. So how to resize it, you have to change that size, means resize the window. Click on the as usual left corner of the window, a menu is appear. See here at the left corner you have to do the click, this menu is appear, and in that click the size option. Now resize is the window to desired size using the arrow key, then press enter key to finish it. See, first of all as usual you have to click on the top left corner, and then after you have to click on this size option, and in this size you can big or small. When you click on this size, in the side there is one arrow will come, right? So and from that also you can do big and small, whatever you desire, up to your size you can do it. So from that arrow you can do big and small, whatever you like, it's up to you, and desired size whatever you want you can get it, and you can finish this work. But also how to resize in a second method, you can also resize a video bringing the mouse pointer to any one four border. You better see better, when the dialog box is open, restore to close, there was a one border is there. So you can put your cursor on this border, you can put your cursor on this border पे रखने को बोला है, हाँ, keep it in your mind. So you can put this cursor on the border and the one arrow will appear, and then also you can drag it and drop it. जब ये 4 रेक्टेंगुलर बॉर्डर है, राइट, उस पर आप एक एरो लगाओ, एरो आएगा, जब भी आप उसको माउस ले जाओगे, whichever size you desire, directly you can do small and big, and इस दोनों तरह से आप उसको रिसाइज कर सकते हो. ओके, so what we learned today, what is the components of the video? Address bar, menu control bar, back button, forward button, minimize button, maximize button, restore button and close button, scroll bar, status bar, also moving window and resizing window. And remember, a window cannot be moved or resized when it is maximized. ओके, जब उसकी साइज मैक्सिमाइज होगी तो वो कभी भी मूव नहीं होगा और रिसाइज नहीं होगा. ओके, थैंक यू.